Hello everyone, I'm Namuulan Gankhuyag from the National Federation of Pasture User Groups. We are the national umbrella organization of herders in Mongolia. So we have done rapid survey among herders in Mongolia, whether the herders impacted for the market, how much the market access and COVID-19 affected for the herders. I'll be talking about the agriculture and market system in Mongolia. So in 2016, the agriculture sector accounted for about 10% of Mongolian gross domestic product and provided by 24% of the total employment. Compared to the mining and extractive sector, which ranks about second, Mongolia is between Russia and China. Since we do have a harsh weather, it's not possible to grow farming constantly during 4 seasons. So we focus more on agriculture, livestock raw materials rather than farming. And Kashmir production is the country's third largest exporter, the two top copper and gold, and a source of income for more than 230,000 herder households. Farming and livestock accounts for 84% and 15% of the total agriculture sector. And by the end of 2019, the number of livestock in Mongolia has reached to 70 million livestock. This is showing the activities of the National Federation, how much we cover in national level. So we have 21 provinces all around Mongolia, and we're covering 18 provinces, about 80,000 herder households. The outbreak of the pandemic in 2020 and its short-term spread around the world has a major threat to Mongolia's agriculture as well as natural resources. We have restricted foreign and domestic traffic, and trade are expected to have a long consequence in agriculture and natural resources, including disruption in agriculture income due to the decline of import and export, as well as the revenue of Mongolia tourism sector projected in 2020 will be cut by $100 million to $200 million due to the suspension of the foreign tourist flows as well as foreign flights coming to Mongolia. And in the case of Mongolia, there is source of income for small and medium enterprises in livestock raw material sector, as well as the tourism sector is highly dependent on seasonal income, and they are expected to have a low income this year. And implementation of the project and programs to be planned by the government and partner donors in the agriculture and natural sector will be disrupted due to this suspension. So we have taken rapid survey from the herders. In Mongolia, we have approximately 300,000 herder households, and how the COVID is affecting those herders. The number of the livestock we have divided into 3 phases. The first one is the herders who have no more than 300 livestock, and the second one is the herders who have 300 to 500 livestock, which are referred to middle income herders, and the herders who have more than 500 livestock, which are referred to above middle wealthier herders. The first question that we asked, did the measure to prevent the spread of COVID-19 affected to livestock income? So most of the herders, they said it affected a lot, and the herders who have answered moderately affected, it's too early to say, were the herders who have not more than 300 livestock. The second question is there a price difference for livestock raw material due to COVID-19? We have taken this survey from about 500 herders by online and offline. About 80% of the herders answered that the raw materials price has decreased due to this COVID-19. Especially the Kashmir price has decreased 3 times this year. And were there any difficulty to repaying the loans? Most of the herders, they have postponed their loans 4 months and more than 4 months. The most important things for the agriculture sector as well as the herders is to have livestock being checked regularly. For the animal health sector, veterinary medicine is very important. And currently they're buying the raw materials, so they have the basic needs that they have. So we have asked this survey from the herders, and the conclusion of the survey is that the herders who are low income in Mongolia herders who have no more than 300 livestock, which are referred to the poor herders, the COVID-19 affected a lot. So the most national and international policy document in the field of agriculture and natural resource sector do not specifically address COVID-19 pandemic, and current policy and legal environment does not address the part for herders in the production as well as the export and import of livestock products. Therefore, the current agriculture and natural resource policies need to be reviewed and updated to integrate the national measures to improve pandemic risk management and resilience. So we have the recommendation based on this survey, and we have provided to the Ministry of Food and Agriculture, light industry, to establish and improve the pandemic risk situation, especially for the agriculture sector. This is the end of my presentation, and if you have further questions, you're welcome to ask me.
Mabuhay ang pamilyang magsasaka.